Okay, let's determine if ABCD is a parallelogram by finding out if the opposite sides are parallel. So let's measure their slopes. So we have the measure of AB. The slope is down 4 over 1. And the slope of CD is over 1 and down 4 also. So over 1 and down 4. Then we can find out if BC is up 2 and over 5 is parallel to AD. Over 5 and up 2. So we can say yes. We can say yes. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, let's draw BD and AC. We're going to find out where they intersect and see what's special about this point. So we're going to go here and here. So let's first find the midpoint. Of BD. So that would be 1 plus 7 divided by 2. And then 3 plus 1 divided by 2. And we get a point of 4, 2. Then let's also find the midpoint of AC. And we have 2 plus 6 over 2. And negative 1 plus 5 over 2. So that gets me 4 and 2. So I can see the midpoint of each is 4, 2. So we can tell that this is a parallelogram because the diagonals have the same midpoint. This means the diagonals bisect each other. Which shows this is a parallelogram. So another way to determine a parallelogram. Okay, let's determine if ABCD is a parallelogram, and we're given 4 points. So if we just do a rough sketch, And negative 8, 2 would go about right there. And negative 4, 5 could go right here for B. C, this could be 2, 4. And then D could be negative 2, 1. So let's just see if the slopes are the same. If we have two opposite sides that are parallel, we know it's a parallelogram. So the measure of AB, we have 5 minus 2 over negative 4 minus negative 8, which turns into a positive, equals 3 over 4. And we have the slope of CD, which is 1 minus 4 over negative 2 minus 2. We get negative 3 over negative 4, which is 3 over 4. So we have the measure of the slope of BC, and we have 4 minus 5 over 2 minus negative 4, which turns into a positive. So we get negative 1 over 6. And the measure of AD is 1 minus 2 over negative 2 minus negative 8, which turns into a positive. So we have negative 1 over 6. So we can say yes, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. They do create a parallelogram. Okay, we're given that PARL is a parallelogram, and we need to find the coordinates of L, which doesn't seem to be here. So let's kind of estimate this. So I can say that this is 0, this is 5, this is 10, and same thing here. Don't make it too difficult. So I can say 1, 5 is here. It's P. And then I have 8, 5, which is going to be A, so it's going to be straight across. And I have R, which is at 10, 11, so that's going to be up here a little bit, kind of like here. So I need to find where L is. And it's going to be, right around here. You can see. But I don't know what that is yet. So we can check the distance between here and here, between P and A. 1 and 8. It's going to be 7. So the same thing, the distance between L and R is going to be 7 also. So I can just take 10 minus 7 equals 3. And we have 3, 11. So L equals 3, 11.